How to change head size in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account if you are not already logged in. Now, tap on the option labeled avatar from the bottom center of the screen. Once you are on the avatar page, look for the head section. It will show a list of heads in different sizes. Choose the one you prefer and tap on it. The selected head will be applied to your avatar instantly. To manually resize the head, go to the Customize tab and select Head and Body. After that, scroll to the bottom right and tap on the Build section. From there, you can adjust the body type and body size. Scroll down until you see the head size option. Move the slider under head size and drag it left or right to decrease or increase the size of your character's head. You will see the preview of your avatar update as you adjust the slider. So stop when the size looks right to you. Keep in mind that it might take a few seconds for the changes to appear fully, so just be patient. Once you are satisfied with the head size, simply exit the page. Your changes will be saved automatically. Now, return to any Roblox game and you will see your avatar with the updated head size. And that's it. Now you know how to change head size in Roblox game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.